You searched how to buy shares of Carrefour SA, listed under the ticker CA.PA on Euronext. Carrefour is a large multinational retailer operating supermarkets and hypermarkets across many countries, and this is a brief educational walkthrough, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CA.PA to find Carrefour's listing. Confirm you select the CA.PA result that shows Carrefour SA on Euronext to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, you'll see basic company information and a price chart to review recent movements. Make sure the company name, exchange, and ticker match Carrefour SA and CA.PA before proceeding. To invest, click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to commit, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed when it reopens. If you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order can be completed. Your new Carrefour position will appear in your portfolio once the trade is executed. For convenience, the demonstration link to eToro is in the description below.